Mariners for you. Feeder container ships collided in Bangkok. 2 feeder container ships, O.P.K. 3 and NP Pathum Thani, collided in the afternoon the 2nd of November 2021 in Chao Phraya River in Bangkok area. O.P.K. 3 was leaving Bangkok Port, bound for Laem Chabang, while NP Pathum Thani was proceeding upstream to Klong Toey Harbour, Bangkok, arriving from Laem Chabang. Both ships loaded with containers. NP Pathum Thani struck by her bow O.P.K. 3 starboard side after she suddenly veered off course. NP Pathum Thani suffered slight damages, while O.P.K. 3 port side hull was breached, causing massive water ingress. The ship rested on bottom in shallow waters, with superstructure and partially cargo deck remaining above waterline. Don't forget to subscribe the Mariners For You channel and click on bell icon to get notification. For more video about container terminals and container ships, subscribe the Mariners For You YouTube channel. Thank for watching Mariners For You. See you soon.